Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing how I make bacon wrapped jalapeno peppers. Here I'm just cutting the stems off of the peppers and cutting the peppers in half. I've washed the peppers thoroughly off camera. Next, I remove the seeds and the ribs from the peppers. You can use a spoon or any other utensil you like. I prefer to use my hands, it's more convenient for me. So I just take my finger and I remove the seeds and the ribs. I do recommend that you use gloves while handling these peppers. Now I'm preparing the cream cheese mixture. I'm using a pack and a half of cream cheese for 11 peppers. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning and 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, and I mix all 3 ingredients thoroughly. After mixing the cream cheese, ranch seasoning, and minced garlic together, I start stuffing my peppers. Now that the jalapeno peppers have been stuffed with the cream cheese mixture, I am wrapping the peppers in bacon. I covered a cookie sheet with foil paper and placed the peppers on it. Lastly, I brushed on a mixture of hot sauce and honey, and I placed the peppers in the oven for about 45 minutes. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I thank you for watching. Bon appetit!